So joining us now is Peter Pitts, former FDA Associate Commissioner. So Peter, a federal appeals court already blocked the FDA's Juul ban. So why would the administration now suspend the order as well?
Well, the judicial stay basically said that there was legitimate reasons for FDA to reconsider its actions, and the FDA put its own stay on. It didn't. The FDA said they're not reversing their decision, but they're going to re-examine the data. And really, there are two issues at hand here. One is, does the Juul vaping brand help people quit smoking combustible traditional cigarettes? The FDA says there's no evidence, but that clearly is untrue. There are reams of evidence from very significant scientific sources that show that vaping does help people quit smoking traditional cigarettes. The FDA also said that there was the potential for the leakage of toxic chemicals from the Juul product. Juul said there were 6,000 pages of data refuting that. The FDA is going to have another look at the data. So I suspect they didn't do a proper review in the first place, and they'll have a little bit of egg on their face once they find that the data is, in fact, in those documents.
Well, okay, so Peter, let's focus on that a little bit. You just went into that. We know the FDA originally said Juul couldn't demonstrate that its products, that marketing those products would be appropriate for the protection of public health. So did that determination change? What changed here?
Well, we'll have to see. I mean, clearly, the FDA could have said, we're not putting the stay in place, or we're going to yank these products from the market immediately. They didn't say that. When other products, like, for example, the Vuse VUSE products for vaping came in front of the FDA gave that company 14 different chances to issue amendments to its application. They gave Juul one. So there's also the issue of regulatory fairness at play here, too. But I think the bottom line is that the data that Juul says is there that exonerates it from these charges is, in fact, there. But we'll have to wait and see what the FDA says.
All right. So based on that, Peter, we have this appeals court blocking the order, the FDA voluntarily pulling it. What is next for this company? What's next for Juul? And do you think the FDA is still going to push to try to get those products off of store shelves?
Well, as you mentioned earlier, right now, Juul products are back on the market. They are legal for sale. What the FDA is going to do is have to reach a conclusion as to whether or not it feels that its original decision to take these products off the market is scientifically sound. And if not, they're going to have to reconsider what their actions are going to be.
All right. Peter Pitts, thank you for that.